fans, and welcome back to a new video here on the Rusty Boxcar channel. Got another pretty good one here for you today. This one is going to be M576-28, which is a daily manifest train making its way north out of Radnor Yard up to Cincinnati, Ohio. It's going to be led up by the new 1 CSX locomotive, kind of a lighter blue with some yellow and white in it. That one's number 4720. I should say it's not a new locomotive, but it's a new paint scheme. And this was the first revenue run, road run, that it led. It had come to Nashville the day before, was supposed to have made its way through Nashville on I-142. And unfortunately, when it got into Radnor, it was annulled for the rest of its trip. I think it only had like 16 cars on it. And so they held that traffic, put it with M576 the next morning. But fortunately, 4720 had been trailing when it got to Radnor. They flipped it around and put it in the lead. So that was really cool to see on 576. Also neat to see some intermodal traffic on 576, which is pretty rare for CSX to put intermodal cars on a general merchandise train like that. I had gone down to the yard the day before after 142 came in. I'll put some still shots in here that I got from the drone of the locomotive. It's a beautiful paint scheme, promoting, the 1 CSX initiative, that they are really, pushing. It seems to really be having some results for them, trying to be better with employee relations. This locomotive has, decals for all of the different labor unions, that are involved with CSX. So pretty cool to see, them trying to appreciate the associates and their union backing there. But I went down to the yard to take some pictures. Got a little nervous because there was a lot of foot traffic around the locomotive, and I thought that they saw a drone flying overhead and were trying to figure out what was going on. In reality, when I got home and looked at the pictures, it was just multiple people in the yard all trying to get up to the locomotive and get pictures, selfies, what have you, taken with the locomotive. From what I could tell, not a single person even noticed the drone in the area. So got a little nervous for nothing there, but fortunately was able to catch up with it the next morning. Again, it's going to have that 4720 in the lead, then a 5409, a 3441, and a 7280. The fifth locomotive out on the head end is going to be RNRX 4598. That is an X-Soo line, GP39-2, that's been beautifully repainted. Had some maintenance work done on it, I'm sure. It is headed to Road and Rail Services in Greensburg, Indiana, the Honda plant there in Greensburg. It'll go to Cincinnati and be handed off to the CIND Railroad to make its way up to Greensburg. Then it'll also have a DPU mid-train of 806. We caught this train up at Centerpoint Road, kind of between Amqui and Hendersonville. Hope you guys enjoy it. Again, it's a beautiful locomotive. We'll look forward to seeing it out somewhere else on the rails, and we'll be back soon with a new video for y'all.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it out there. If you did, please drop down below and click that thumbs up button to give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, either clicking the subscribe button down below, or you can hit the rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen. Drop us a comment also. We enjoy those, and we'll try to answer them as fast as we can.